Today we will talk about how to buy tram ticket in Poland. For more informative videos like this, please do like, subscribe and share CJ Travel Diaries. First of all, look out for a tram station. The name of the tram station can be found in stalls like this. First of all, we will see how to buy tram tickets inside the tram. So let's board the tram and look out for a machine like this. The yellow one is for validating the tickets. But before that, we have to buy the ticket from the white machine. Let's look into that. Please select the language according to your convenience. I will choose English for now. Before we proceed ahead, a few informations for you. All the tickets are time-based in Poland, which means if you buy 4 PLN ticket, you can also see 20 minutes are mentioned against it. It means the 4 PLN ticket will be valid for 20 minutes of travel. Similarly, 6 PLN ticket is valid for 60 minutes of travel. In order to buy full day pass or multiple days ticket, you can click on complete ticket offer and choose your convenient ticket option accordingly. Click on the ticket and click on number of tickets you want by adding plus or minus sign. Click on the buy option in yellow. I will use credit or debit card for paying this ticket amount. So let's click on pay by credit card option. Once you click it, you will see the accepted cards option there and it will ask you to tap the card. Down there you will see a blue box where you have to tag your debit or credit card. And once the payment is successful, you will find the ticket here. Once you get the ticket, don't forget to validate the ticket by inserting it here. Now let's see how you can buy the tickets from the tram station. Look out for a machine like this. The process will be similar to what I have explained you earlier. Choose language according to your convenience. I will choose English for now. Please select the ticket according to your travel need. Here you can increase the number of tickets and also select how you would like to pay. I will choose pay with card. I can tap my card here or insert it here. Put your pen here and you should find the ticket inside this box. Once you have the ticket and you board the tram, do not forget to validate the ticket by inserting it in this yellow machine. And relax till your destination arrives. You can look out for station names. Also, there are trackers inside the train which will show you where the train has reached. To summarize, you can buy the ticket inside the tram or from the tram station. Do not forget to validate the ticket. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe CJ Travel Diaries. Thank you.